How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the blockchain world, where today I'm going to be talking to you about the market. It's been a while for a market recap. We're going to go over the top cryptocurrencies. We're going to go over the stock market. We're going to go over interest rates, inflation rates, and such, just to keep you educated for the upcoming period. And if you see that there's good news in the upcoming period when it comes to the crypto market, you might want to check out some of the different options available for you to enter the crypto world with. For example, like the crypto.com cards. But I'm not going to spoil too much about that. I may touch upon them later on in this video, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to see more about how you can take advantage, get some cashbacks, and earn some quite significant rewards in a few minutes. So let's get right into it. Now, we're on the blockchain world portal right now, and what we can see is that the total market cap of cryptocurrencies is over $2 trillion, which is very nice to see. Even though we saw a plunge in the past couple of days, which we can see on the market right here, where people say, oh my God, look, the market is crashing. It went down from 69,000 to 57 or 55,000 in just a couple of days. Wow, it's so, or just a couple of weeks. Oh my God, it's so terrible. The market is crashing. But everybody forgets, or seems to forget, that the market went up from 40,000 to 70,000 in just a couple of weeks as well. So, you know, when it goes up by 40%, nobody really bats an eye. But when it goes down by 20%, everyone says, wow, the market is crashing. Please, guys, we've been here a million times. This is how the market works. It's very normal. It's normal in the stock market. I've got four things seconded out over here. We've got Bitcoin, we've got gold, we've got the NASDAQ, and we've got the US 500. And we are going to talk about all of them in detail. But before we move on with that, I wanted to talk about the top 10 cryptocurrencies at the moment, which you can always check out at the blockchain world portal. Bitcoin, first of all, Ethereum, second of all, where you can see there is a significant difference in market cap. But, you know, Bitcoin dominance is kind of not being as tremendous as it used to be in the past, right? Bitcoin dominance is supposed to, you know, fade over time as other cryptocurrencies pick up, but it seems to be still the most dominant cryptocurrency, as it was the first, and as it is truly decentralized, right? Where you have the only way to shut down Bitcoin would be to shut down electricity in the entire world. The market cap is 1.1 trillion, Ethereum 350 billion. We have Tether, which is very important for all of our you know, daily transactional needs, 110 billion. We have BNB, Binance Smart Coin, quite interesting. Solana is right there as well. USDC, Ripple, Toncoin, this is the Telegram coin, quite interesting. Huge growth recently, I would imagine Toncoin actually got, since I didn't see it in the top 10 in the past couple in the past couple years or whatever, right? Since they released the token, Telegram is such a huge community that it did make a lot of sense for them to do so. We've got Dogecoin at number 9, and we've got Cardano at number 10. Few of the other honorable mentions, Tron, Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Polkadot, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, and more moving down the line. So quite interesting, but let's move on into a little more technical analysis before we touch upon the crypto.com cards, which you can always check out on their website or in the description down below. Now, we got Bitcoin right here, which, you know, in the past couple years has displayed some quite tremendous growth. This is all the way since 2020. We've seen the top that happened before, then the interest rate hikes, then the market started moving down, and after that we just started moving up again. And, you know, more recently we've had kind of a nice little bull run all the way from 16,000 into the 65, 66,000 area. We did form somewhat of a resistance around this area right here, and we're gonna have to break it if we want to keep moving upwards, right? If we want to keep moving forward, you can also mark it as something like this. So why did we form a resistance there? Well, it seems to be that the market doesn't expect, or that the market is expecting somewhat of a correction, right? Even this move, you know, this move down was probably not enough to, you know, take this move out, right? And this move up, we are going to have a retraction. It always happens. I like to look at fib levels. We can look at some other levels. We can see the market drop down back into the 44,000 range, and I'm just being completely realistic with you guys, before moving back up again. So one of the scenarios that we could see is something along the lines of this, a breakout, and then moving upwards once again. The lower bound I'm not going to be really looking at right now, but there is a very, very strong zone of resistance, probably, or support at the 30k level. So I don't think we're going anywhere below that sometime soon, but we are not financial advisors on this channel, and you should do your own due diligence before investing into anything in the crypto or stock market world. So a couple of scenarios that we could see. I'm just drawing out, a couple things that could happen in the future. Could be good, could be not so good, but generally the market is a lot higher than what it was a year ago. And I like to look at long-term investing. And if you are going to be utilizing crypto in the long term, it's definitely worth just sitting down, chilling out, not looking at the chart every day, keeping your mental health okay, and just making sure that you are fundamentally aware of what tokens and what coins you're investing into, right? What ecosystems you are searching for. So right here we can actually even find the CRO coin or crypto.com, which is right here, right? Kronos. It's at number 35, and it's unbelievable to me that it's at such a low number, right? The market cap is just around $2 billion, right? And there is significant potential for growth. And with the things that they've been bringing recently, such as being able to buy 350 plus cryptocurrencies with the Canadian dollar, since I'm in Canada right now, or transferring it around, or committing, obviously these guys are compliant and everything, but you can also download their app and download their card and earn a lot of rewards with them. And if you get your card, it will be the only card that you need. So I'm going to show you right here. You can also get a welcome pack where you can get free Apple or Samsung gear. Compared to card tiers, obviously you can start with Midnight Blue, $0, Ruby Steel, $500. You get your 1% cash back, or up to plus 3% extra rewards with CRO. It's really cool, right? And if you get the Obsidian card, you will get a lot of cash back, right? This is really cool. Obviously, for some of them, you get free Spotify, you get free Netflix, get free Amazon Prime, get free X Premium, get Expedia, get Airbnb Plus, airport lounge access, private crypto.com community, bonus rewards, exclusive merch, and whatever. But over time, as you grow and as your card becomes from the Midnight Blue to the Ruby Steel to this one, and further up, you will be enjoying your crypto experience more and more over time. Some of the loyalty programs within all of these rewards and cards that are going on, you can go further on your journey to unlock achievements and tangible rewards for every trade that you make. So up to 10% on stable coins. So these are including the base rate earnings of up to 5%. These are additional bonuses besides all the traditional cashbacks that you can get, which is really cool. Up to a 0.5% rebate on every trade. Really cool as well. Up to 8% back in CRO when using the Crypto.com Visa card, which is amazing as well. So this is 5 plus another extra 3%, as you can see. 5 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 3, and even the Ruby one, 1 plus 3, if you want to be able to take advantage of those. And more, right? Up to $200 bonuses for every referral with no limits. And obviously you can mark your trading journey with these unique milestones. And this is really cool as well. Just the whole ecosystem, the way that they've made it so accessible, so nice. You can launch the app and get started in just a second. Make sure to check out the links down below. If you want to get your Apple or Samsung gear, you can do so yourselves. Lastly, the Crypto.com Rewards Plus program is a new program available to users in the United States. And just to recap, there are 20 different levels in the program, and users such as yourselves can take advantage and advance through the levels by trading crypto. As users move up in the levels, they will unlock more benefits such as higher bonuses, extra card rewards, and trading rebates. Some of the main benefits that you guys can take advantage of by clicking the link in the description down below are, first of all, up to a 10% passive income on stablecoins, up to 8% back on Crypto.com Visa credit card rewards, up to $200 worth of referral bonuses, and the ability to mark your trading journey with unique milestones. If you're interested to learn more about Crypto.com Rewards Plus, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Use my link to get a $25 welcome bonus. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you did, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys know this already. Please check the video out, check the description out, and I'll see you all in the next video.